This video is brought to you by TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is a toolkit for all YouTubers alike, with advanced metrics and functionality within YouTube itself, including things like bulk syndication and other bulk updating tools. TubeBuddy is the best video manager for you. Want to try it yourself? Click the link down below to get a free trial. Also consider signing up for Talency, with TubeBuddy Pro included.
Hey, what is up guys, Matt here from the Toasty Bros, and today I'm going to bring you a game benchmarking video, specifically with PlayerUnknown's Battlegrounds. Recently, PlayerUnknown's Battlegrounds released their 1.0 update, which has had a lot of performance improvements along with a new map. So I wanted to go ahead and test this new map alongside a GTX 1050, a very budget-friendly graphics card that a lot of people are going for in ultra-budget builds due to the fact that its pricing hasn't been severely affected like a bunch of other GPUs on the market. Now I'm not going to waste any more of your time. What I did was test this game at multiple setting presets. The first one was a mixture of low to medium settings because that seems to be the most optimal for the best performance on this system. And also I tested it at very low settings to see what the max FPS that we could get on this system and pretty much try to see if the GTX 1050 can play PUBG now with the 1.0 update at a very fluid 60 FPS experience with very little frame drops. So how about I not waste any more time and jump right into those benchmarks. So as you can tell from those benchmarks, PUBG is actually getting more optimized every single update. Now PUBG has been notorious for being super laggy on older systems or even some higher end hardware, but on my test bench with the GTX 1050, while be it with a CPU to limit the bottlenecks, it really does perform quite well. It does feel a lot smoother, it's not as choppy, it's much more fluid, and as you can see by the gameplay, it looks great. I'm really excited to see that this game, with the success that it's had, has actually pumped a lot into development and growing the game as a whole, and all around improving the experience that it delivers. But I want to hear what you all have to say. Comment down below if your system is playing a lot better in PUBG and if you're still playing the game, or if you've hit up Fortnite. What is your favorite game right now? Comment it down below in the comment section. And while you're there, be sure to comment PUBG in the comment section down below if you made it this far in the video, and if you haven't already, slap a like on this video, subscribe if you're new, follow us on Twitter, join our Discord community, and I hope to see you all in the next video, guys. Peace out.